Hey everybody, my name's Mark Ling and I've been an internet marketer since 1999. I've got a wealth of experience to share with you, and inside the Affilorama members area you'll find that there are hundreds of video lessons, written lessons, all about internet marketing. They're all categorized really well for you. Like for instance, you might find, say, categories like pay-per-click marketing, introduction to affiliate marketing, SEO, all sorts of stuff there, and we add new lessons all the time. It's a world-class education, the kind of stuff people would charge hundreds and sometimes thousands of dollars for. You get interviews with different internet marketing gurus, and by being on this list you'll also get notified of live webinars that we run as well to help our students. And we have a thriving blog as well that we keep updated with the latest in internet marketing tips and tricks. So there's a lot to gain from being a member, and over the next few days I will be sending you some emails, giving you some more training, and just to help get you acquainted as well with being a member of the free version of Affilorama, which is something that I really hope that you find to be incredibly valuable. I really want to see and hear lots of success stories from you guys. Please jump in on the forum and say hi and interact, ask your questions, help answer other people's questions. We're here to build a community here of like-minded people trying to get ahead and do well on the line. Do well online. So anyway, that's it from me. I look forward to seeing you guys in the members area. Bye for now, everybody.